Say, I will restore it unto you. And Ato, good day to you all. I'm very happy and excited to have you guys back in this YouTube channel. Philame love you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe, do well and subscribe to Philame TV, because here I come here to give you gospel things that will inspire you, that will make you to know that indeed our God still exists. This is August, and this month is a month we say, I will restore it unto you. And out of it, I want to tell us something about joy. That word being called joy is a word that you would love to hear, because when you get the joy, no man, no enemy can penetrate in you or can bring you down, because you got joy. Who give it joy? God. Who restore it to you? God. Who make things possible? God. Who make a way where there seems to be no way? God. Look at when Paul and Silas pray, they sound and the Holy Ghost come down. Now, in the midst of that, what happened? They got joy. And when they received that joy, what happened? No enemy was able to penetrate. So what I'm trying to say in essence, in life, remember to know that no man in this world to take away your joy. And I'm urging you and also begging you, in this week, don't allow enemies, don't allow a friend of yours to make you angry. No matter what he's saying, don't allow them to penetrate. So when you got the joy, you got everything. That's why he said, I will restore health unto you. When God restore health to you, what the caterworm, the caterpillar, the common worm have taken away from you, you get me? God said he will restore them to you, because he's a living God. He's omnipotent. So how do you do away from sin? You can do away from sin by making sure that you give up to him. Now that joy has been given to you. Do you need to panic? No. Do you need to worry? No. Do you need to emphasize on how to manage yourself? Yes. Do you know why I say yes? Because you need to learn how to manage yourself. You need to learn how to manage every circumstances around you. Now you have been seeking for health. God to restore your health to you. I want to give us this testimony. I was healed. People ask me to take drugs. I said no. I believe God will heal me. So one very day, I went to church. Pastor was preaching. Say, if you believe in your heart that you can be healed, you receive your healing. Then I key into it. I came back home. I was sick for 3 good days. I did not take any drug. But when I take that Holy Communion that very day, my life turned around. I received that joy. I received that good health, because God restored my health back to me. What happened? My faith made me whole again. So there is no sickness in this life that does not have treatment. You have a mouth, decree. That is why he say, ye shall decree a thing, and the thing shall come to pass. So you that is watching me, decree, and that thing will come to pass. Before I leave us this very morning, I would like to inform us that don't allow anybody to take away your joy. God bless you guys immediately. Do share this video and make sure